Welcome to our video about what's new in IBM Cognos Analytics 11.0.11, where we'll cover using custom polygons and points for mapping in reports, dashboards, and stories, data caching in dashboards and stories, support for IBM Cognos 10 portal pages, and increased control over the visibility of content store objects. IBM Cognos Analytics now supports the use of custom polygons and points in partnership with Mapbox. After you have uploaded your custom GeoJSON file to your Mapbox account as a tileset, you can use it in reports, dashboards, and stories. You will need to know the Mapbox ID and layer name for your tileset, and the property name that uniquely identifies the polygons or points in your file. There is a new sample report called Storm Events 2015 that uses custom polygons and points for 4 US regions. I have it open in edit mode to show you the settings. Click on the map and open the visualization properties. Scroll down to the Regions section. Enter the map ID for your tileset beside Region Custom Map ID. Enter the layer name for your tileset beside Region Custom Layer Name. Enter the property name that identifies the polygons beside Region Custom Property Name. If you have a tileset that defines points, enter the map ID, layer name, and property name in the Points section. Close the properties. In the Regions data slot, add a location that uses names corresponding to those in your Polygons tileset. In the Points data slot, add a location that uses names corresponding to those in your Points tileset. Run the report. The custom polygons are overlaid on the map, and if you hover over one, the name defined for it is displayed in the tooltip. I can do the same thing in a dashboard or story. Here, I have a new map visualization in a dashboard. In the Properties, expand Regions and enter the map ID, layer name, and property name. Then expand Points and do the same. If it isn't already done, drag locations and measures to the Regions and Points layers for the map. In this case, I'm using the region data item for both layers, with crop damage as the measure for the regions layer and property damage for the points layer. Now you can enable data caching to improve performance for dashboards and stories. To do this, open the story or dashboard. I'll continue using the same dashboard just to show where the setting is. In edit mode, open the properties. Select On for data cache. The automatic setting applies only if you are using a Framework Manager package. The data is cached or not according to how the modeler set up the Framework Manager package. For other data sources, this setting is equivalent to Off. Data from uploaded files and datasets is not cached, even if data cache is set to On. IBM Cognos 10 users upgrading to IBM Cognos Analytics 11 can now use their portal pages. This functionality is not enabled by default, but system administrators can change settings to allow users to access it. When it is enabled, users will see a new My Portal Pages icon below Team Content. Open My Portal Pages to see a list of the available portal pages and click on a portal page in the list to open it. A separate, more detailed video about portal pages will soon be available. Look for a link to it in the description for this video. By default, content store objects are visible to users who have any permissions for that object. System administrators can change this to require that users have specific permissions for an object before it is visible to them. For example, filtering object visibility by permissions Read, Write, Execute, and Set Policy will hide an object from users who have only traverse permission for that object. Thank you for watching this video on what's new in IBM Cognos Analytics 11.0.11. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about using IBM Cognos Analytics 11.